Las Vegas practically demands stamina, but combining world-class entertainment with the dry heat of the Mojave Desert takes an immediate toll on the human body. Visitors view their time here as a premium investment. You have booked the flights, secured the dining reservations, and planned the nightlife. Losing an entire day to physical exhaustion is a massive financial and experiential loss. After a long night out, miles of walking and intense celebrations create a perfect storm for severe dehydration. You wake up with a pounding headache, extreme muscle fatigue, and a heavy cognitive fog. The standard response is to rely on centuries-old methods, chugging water and swallowing oral pain relievers. But these traditional remedies have to fight their way through a system that is already heavily compromised. This animated diagram illustrates the main problem: an inflamed gastrointestinal tract. Excessive alcohol consumption triggers severe cellular inflammation, making your stomach lining incredibly inefficient at absorbing fluids or nutrients. Overcoming this biological bottleneck requires an entirely different delivery route, one that bypasses the stomach entirely. Let's track what actually happens when you drink a sports beverage to cure a hangover. That liquid has to travel down your esophagus, sit in a highly acidic stomach, and slowly seep into your intestines. This chart tracks the absorption rate of oral recovery methods over time. When you rely on oral water and sports drinks, your body only absorbs between 20 and 30% of those electrolytes, and it takes 2 to 4 hours for that fraction of relief to even set in. If you add over-the-counter pills to the mix, you might hit a 40 to 50% absorption rate. That process still takes up to 2 hours to process through your digestive tract, leaving you waiting around in pain. That assumes you can even keep those fluids down. If your nausea leads to vomiting, your absorption rate instantly plunges exactly to 0%, and you are entirely back to square one. Waiting on this slow digestive process comes with a massive time cost. A single morning of inefficient recovery can easily consume half of your available vacation day. Relying on the slow road of the digestive system is a biological gamble. If you have a tight itinerary, waiting around your hotel room hoping to feel better is simply a losing strategy. The alternative is the biological bypass, intravenous therapy. By placing fluids directly into the circulatory system, you skip the digestive bottleneck entirely. This creates a state of 100% bioavailability. Because the gut is completely bypassed, every single milligram of essential vitamins, minerals, and medication is immediately utilized by your cells. Look at the chart now. With an IV drip, you hit total absorption instantly. Instead of waiting half the day, you achieve maximum symptom relief in just 30 to 45 minutes. A specialized hangover IV delivers a highly efficient synergy of clinical saline to restore fluid volume, Toradol to rapidly knock out throbbing headaches, and Zofran to immediately suppress nausea. Going to a clinic to get this treatment when you are exhausted is still a huge hurdle. Dispatching a registered nurse directly to your hotel suite removes that travel friction. You avoid navigating crowded casino floors or hailing a rideshare in the scorching sun. Mobile IV therapy treats your time as a finite resource. It provides direct clinical intervention to restore your body as fast as physically possible. Once the IV finishes, the physical reset is immediate. Intravenous fluids rapidly flush out the accumulated alcohol toxins, cutting down cellular inflammation and bringing back your sharp mental clarity. The protocol provides targeted metabolic support through B-complex vitamins and amino acids, ensuring physical stamina for the remainder of the itinerary. And this is a standard medical procedure. Highly trained, licensed nurses evaluate your vital signs and follow strict clinical protocols, guaranteeing a sterile, painless experience right in your private room. You are effectively reclaiming your vacation. You take a grueling 12-hour recovery window and compress it into a straightforward 45-minute medical procedure. When your digestive system fails after a long night, waiting for water to absorb is a waste of time. Bypassing the stomach is a required strategy for high-performance recovery in one of the most demanding environments on Earth.